Today we are going to do a DIY fairy garden. For this pot up, you're going to need a terracotta pot, some indoor potting soil, 2-inch houseplants that all have the same light requirements, moss, decorative pebbles and glass, and some fairy garden accessories that you can find in store. Fill up the terracotta pot with the potting mix. You can start shaping it the way you want your garden to look. I'm putting a terracotta pot at the top because that's where I want my fairy to sit, and I'm adding some other accessories around. To get an idea of how I want to set it up, I will arrange the plants in a certain way that I think will look good and test it out before fully planting. Once I've decided where I want them, I will start planting. I do about a 2-inch deep hole and place my plant in there nice and snug, making sure they have room to grow and form into their new home. Then I will add my other design elements in there, such as creating the pond that I want for my fairy garden using decorative glass. And I'll also take some pebbles and just fill in some of that empty soil space. Then I get the decorative moss, and it really helps fill in my fairy garden, making it look more lush without having to add live plants in. You can really have a lot of fun by playing around with the different variations. Lastly, I'll add some more decorative rocks, mixing it up with a different color, adding some contrast. Opportunities when creating these are endless. To ensure your fairy garden thrives, place your garden in an area that has indirect bright light. You'll want to water your garden about every 7 to 10 days, but to make sure, you can just stick your finger in and test the moisture of the soil.